Alright, now that I got some daylight, so far all I've checked is the fuses, and they're all good, which is a bad sign that something's going to be fried. I have an extra one of these, and I think I might just plug it in and see what happens. But first I'm going to do continuity checks on the 3 pins that go to the coil pack. I know there's nothing wrong with the coil pack because I cranked it with this thing disconnected, so there's no way that I would have damaged this, I think. So there's something wrong downstream of it. I'm thinking maybe this capacitor blew up or something. I don't know. So I'm going to do a continuity check between pin number 2 there on the coil pack, and where does this run to? It runs all the way over to some fuses on the other side of the car, so I'm going to check that and a few other things, and then I might just try running my backup module and see what happens. So I was tracing all the pins to the connector here, and I actually did run into an open loop. It wasn't connected on both ends, so I think I might be in business now. I'm so glad I didn't burn up that module. Now I'm going to switch over to GoPro and give a point of view of the maiden voyage. I think that my wideband might be starting to get carbon fouled a little bit, because on my AFR target table, for some reason in the idle range there, I was seeing like low 10s, just stupid rich for some reason, even though my my target is, you know, just a little bit fatter than stoic. So I don't know what's going on there. I'm definitely gonna have to mess around with that. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you in the next one.